What's going on, YouTube? Back at it again. Another day, another video. And thank God for blessing us with another day. So this is how we starting our day off today. We are stuck behind the train. Just when I was about to cross the train track to the other side and go to the rail, this train decided to start doing this. And we already late. Like, I'm late right now. But our appointment time not till 11, so that's a good thing. It is 7:40 right now, but we gotta drive like 90 something miles today just to get to our first delivery of the day. So yeah, guys, the train just going back and forth. It's going backward again, so I have no choice but to wait. So I'll see you guys once we finally get moving again and get to the rail to pick up our load. So see you guys in a little bit. All right, folks, we have made it to the rail. The train wasn't as long as I thought it was gonna be, so thank God for that. It just went back and forth just for a little bit, and we was able to get out of there. But I'm at the rail right now, and we just got checked in, and our load is ready. So God is doing his thing, man. Because I was already running late, so we didn't want to wait for the crane to delay our load. So the fact that our load is ready, that's a good thing. So now all I'm doing is go find it, hook up to it, do my pre-trip, and we get out of here. So we got a long drive ahead of us, man. Now look, I know the way I be talking is the way I be talking is because I'm local, right? I used to be over the road, so I know what it's like to drive long hours and all of that. But once you become local, you are not used to that anymore. You start questioning yourself, like, how did I used to drive that long being over the road? But I say that just to say today we're gonna be driving over 90, like 91, 92 miles to go drop off this load that we are picking up right now. So it's gonna be a little bit of a drive, man. So yeah, hopefully we make it there on time. And I'm not sure if it's a drop and hook or if it's a live unload, but we'll see once we get there. Alright, YouTube, let me show you guys the first problem we are encountering today. I want y'all to see this. You see that? That means the container is sitting on the pin, on that pin right there. So that's not how it's supposed to be. That's an issue. That's an issue. So this gotta come out. But being that I've been doing this for a little bit, I went through this before, I have an experience about stuff like this. So hopefully we can be able to solve it and get out of here and check out. Because if this was my first time seeing that, I would start panicking. I do remember my first time encountering that problem. I was panicking because, you know, I would just get mad because I'm like, why is there always something wrong with these chassis and containers? But you know, after you've been doing it for a while, you just kind of get used to all the problems and you'll know how to resolve them and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and fix this real quick and then we'll finish our pre-trip and get out of here, y'all. So see you guys in a little bit. It's still cold out here, man. All right, and there we have it, guys. I was able to fix it. Now you see, it's laying on the chassis now. So there we go. Now I can finish hooking up and we'll get out of here. You know what, guys? These vlogs are starting to feel like, well, a TV show. Kind of like episode 1, episode 2. Oh man, come on. Whew, I was gonna say. So this is what, episode 6? Because it's vlog 6. And I feel like I'm getting comfortable and used to just recording now. Before I used to struggle with, you know, having to record because I just wasn't comfortable with it. But now it's just like, okay, it's another day. So you just kind of basically journaling your daily activity. If something went wrong, show the people and they can learn from it. So that's also what's motivated me to keep recording this video. But I don't want y'all to feel like it's just the same thing over and over again. I mean, majority of the time it is, but we all going to different places and we are encountering different problems. So it's just like every day, you never know what you're actually gonna get. So if you're actually paying attention and watching every vlog, I hope you're enjoying it, because I'm enjoying recording it. So yeah, hopefully one day or someone watching it might actually like us. Because I remember before I got my CDL, right, I used to watch this YouTube channel. I don't think he does it anymore, but I would just sit there and watch all his vlog, like a 1-hour vlog, and just listening to him talking and being over the road and stuff he's going through. And I enjoy watching it. So I hope you guys will also enjoy watching this. And get your popcorn, get your food ready, and just enjoy another day in the life of a local and a motor driver. So see you guys when we made it to our destination. All right, people, we are just about here at our destination. Man, we are all the way in the north somewhere, because there's like a little bit of ice on the road, on the highway here. So we are so far away from home or the terminal. But we are delivering this load out. All these good stuff cheap. I think I've seen their commercial before. Have you guys know or heard about all these before? If you do or have, let me know what exactly it is, because I can't remember what. I remember hearing the song or the commercial, but I don't know exactly what it is. Is it a store or what is it? But yeah, we are Ollie's right now. So the thing we're here, right? The very first time I was here, it was a live unload. The second time I came here, it was a jump and hook, because they had empty for us, so we just jumped the hook. So I'm not sure if today's gonna be a live unload where we had to wait for them to unload us, or if we just jumping this off and pick it up and empty. So we will see once we get checked in, and I'll let you guys know, man. So see you with an update. Alrighty, folks. So here's the update. We are getting live unload. So they told me to go to dock door 61. So we're going to dock door 61. And yeah, we're gonna be getting unloaded. It's gonna be live unload. So I'm guessing on the weekends, right? On the weekend is when it's a drop and hook, because maybe there's nobody here to unload on the weekend, so we just drop and hook. But during the weekdays, it's a live unload. So I'm guessing that's how it is. But yeah, hopefully it don't take too long. So we're just gonna go here, wait for them to unload us, and then we're gonna take our empty to Ace Hardware. So we're gonna Ace Hardware to pick up a load from there, drop off our empty, pick up a load from there, and then oops, I think I passed it. But yeah, we can still back it from here. Yeah, so I believe Ace Hardware, that one is a jump and hook, because every time I go over there, it's a jump and hook. So those are our only 2 loads for the day. And due to the mileage that we're driving, I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to do another load, but we shall see, y'all. We shall see. So just stay tuned, and I'll let you guys know what the update is. Alright, folks, we finally got unloaded. They just came out and gave me the paperwork. So I think it's been what, almost 2 hours. But yeah, I just went ahead and took a break and ate some food. Was watching some video. But yep, now we about to head towards our next destination, which is Ace Hardware, to pick up our next load from over there and take it back to the rail where we started from. So yeah, it's feel good out here, man. Sometimes when I think about it, just the freedom of being outside, or just not having to deal with no co-workers, or you know, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. So yep, guys, let's go check out and head towards our next destination. Alright, my folks, here we are. Made it to Ace Hardware. One of the cleanest warehouses in the States, or at least that I go to. They always have their stuff like super neat. I don't know if they have somebody that like clean it every day, but every time I come over here, man, it's so nice and clean. And I have not been here in a long time. Sometimes last year. But as I told you guys before, we are dropping off our empty and picking up a load from here. Hopefully it's ready. Majority of the time when I get here, our load is preloaded, so it should be ready. All we gotta do is just drop and hook and get out of here. It is about 12:40. Yeah, it's 12:40 right now. So we might still make it back to the rail on time and might do another load. All depends on traffic and all that. But yeah, let's go ahead and check in, and I'll see you guys later. Alrighty, folks, we got our paperwork, and that's the empty that I brought, so we got to drop it off in the yard around here. and then I saw my load coming in, so we got to go back and hook up to our load, and we good to go. Got the paperwork. So see y'all in a little bit. YouTube. So my truck is back there, right? And this thing is right in the middle of the road on the way. I don't know if the driver accidentally dropped it, so just gonna place it right here just in case they come back looking for it. But yeah, do y'all see the view, the scenery? I hope it's showing as well as it is in real life. But let's go ahead and do our pre-trip. But yeah, as I was saying, yeah, good thing I noticed it before I start pulling off, because it's literally right there in the middle of the road. So I had to move it out the way, or else another driver is probably gonna drive over it, and then it's gonna damage their truck. But we are jumping and hooking. So this is why I love coming here, because there's never any issue. You just come in, get your paperwork, they tell you this is the trailer you're picking up, hook up to it, and you out of here. So there's never any issue with Ace Hardware. One of my favorite places to come to. So yeah, let's go ahead and finish doing this pre-trip, and we'll head out of here. Probably got like about an hour and 45-minute drive back to the rail, so I shall see you guys soon. YouTube, we have made it to the rail, safe and sound. And it's crazy traffic on the road. They send out an Amber Alert saying that it's gonna be ice and snow and stuff going on tomorrow. So I'm not exactly sure if we coming to work or not. I still gotta verify. My job sent out a message, I haven't checked it yet, but yeah, they say it might potentially snow tomorrow. So that might be the cause of why there's so much traffic today, because everybody trying to hurry up and get prepared and get home. But I'm just glad we were able to make it here to the rail safe and sound. Let's go ahead and check in and drop this load off. After this, we don't have anything else, so I'm not sure if they're trying to get us home early, but we shall see. I'll let y'all know what happened after this and give you an update. So see you in a little bit. Alrighty folks, let me give you guys an update on what's going on. So they send out a statewide emergency alert saying that there's gonna be a limited, well, they're advising everybody to not travel tomorrow due to the snow and icy road. But my company also sent out a message saying they're gonna shut down their fleet from well, in the morning, you know, the time we start. So they say it's gonna be shut down until they can get a word or an update about how things gonna pan out, and then they'll let us know. So we are most likely not gonna be working tomorrow, and that means I'm not sure how that's gonna work out. By by the time it clears out, I'm not even gonna take that risk and come to work tomorrow, because I start early in the morning. You know, we start early in the morning, so tomorrow is not, we're not gonna be able to go to work tomorrow. But hopefully by Saturday, I can get back at it and show you guys an update, you know, on the videos and stuff. Oh man. Well, turn out we got a problem. There's a whole container at the spot that they give us, so that we most likely gonna be waiting. Let me ask this guy and see. Hold on. See you, boss. They gave me spot 155, but I think there's a load over there. I passed it, I didn't know, but just in case, you know, if you ever get a free time, or if you can call somebody. Right. Or maybe on a radio or something, they might be. Appreciate it though. 155. Alright, y'all. Hopefully that works. So they can be able to, so they can move that container so we can drop ours off. But yeah, as I was saying, man, I hope everybody's safe tomorrow. Just stay in, man. Don't risk it. I remember last time it snowed here, a lot happened, man. A lot of people's life was at risk. So it's not even worth it being out, because here people already don't know how to drive. So especially if you add snow and ice, that's chaos, man. So just be careful. I wish everybody a safe day. And he's flagging me down, so let's see what he wants. $155? Okay, I'll go back and check. Appreciate it. Alright, y'all. I drove past it, and when I looked back, I thought there was a container there, but I guess not, so that was my fault. Yeah, so let's go ahead and drop this load off, and we most likely gonna call it a day. So I appreciate you guys watching, and continue to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys next time when we get back to work. Peace out.